Hi everyone, Sarah here. Happy Friday. Today's Friday, so I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. This was another one of my pre-orders from August the 8th. I ordered it August the 8th. It shipped September 30th and I received it October 5th. So, yeah. These were just ones that when they started putting all the pre-orders on and I just went crazy. So pretty excited to share this one with you guys. If I can get the plastic. I did receive shipping notification this week for the Halloween pre-orders. So next Friday I will have a Halloween painting to share with you guys. But for today, this one is super awesome. It is a round, you can see from the pink strip here, and our symbol for round diamonds. And very excited to share with you. Ta-da! Oh, my lighting is terrible, guys. I am so sorry. Sweet Tooth by Micah Jelena. I don't know why my lighting is casting shadows. It's kind of frustrating. I've always had this set up, so I don't see what the problem is. I've switched to the other side of the table, hoping that will help, but I don't think it is. So, and it's nighttime. I'm filming this Thursday night so that I can post it for Friday for you guys. And obviously it's dark, so I have to use my lighting, but I think it's better if I film these during the day with natural lighting, and then you don't get all the shadows and everything. Anyways, so here is our information sheet with the big beautiful picture. She is so cool. It's round with a glow in the dark, GL for glow. 56 by 76, and there are 33 colors. So pretty excited about this. Here's our little sticker. I use this in my book. Actually, I use both of these. I have two books, one for confirming that my pictures are shipped, and the other one is showing the completed diamond paintings from Diamond Art Club. So I'll show that to you guys one time. Here is our little kit, specific to round diamond painting. Ooh, yay! So we have our blue pen, a ton of baggies. I tell you, they started putting in a ton of baggies in their kits. We have the tray, squishy, 2 heart waxes, and my favorite, the 4-placer, the skinny 4-placer. Super excited that they started putting those back in because I love them. And they do, I guess, I don't know if I'm rough with them, but they do get misshapen from pushing the diamonds into them. So they don't last forever. Alrighty. So we have our super smooth, soft canvas. And this one is going to be big. Ooh. Ba, ba, ba. Look at that face. Isn't she beautiful? I'm so excited. You get your instructions for anyone that needs them. We have one big package of drills. Look at those colors. They're so pretty. And our beautiful canvas. So let me see. Try and do this without the glare. You can see all the candy beside her, her colors in her hair. She's got a tiara. She's wearing a ring pop. And then over on this side, there's more candy, and she has candy tattoos. So awesome. Super excited about this. She's gonna be absolutely beautiful. Her stickiness is great. I'll show you the drill field. It's really nice. This one has really crisp colors. Just want to check that our glue is on all the edges nicely. Here's our legend. If you guys can see that, hopefully. Terrible glare. We've got the legends on both sides, the bottom right and the top left. She is just so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, so let me flip this over and we'll take a look at the drills. Let me try to zoom you down. All right. So don't mind the crinkling. Of course, the drills do have a label that matches the canvas with the name. So if you want to store them separately, you can. Start with the big ones here. We have 2 packages of 3865, and this looks like the newer packaging with the silver and blue strips. Here's our E907, so this is the glow in the dark. After we're done filming, I will see if I can get it to glow to show you guys. Then we have 310. Oh, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packages of 310. So it looks like this is going to be one of those ones where I'll outline all the images in the 310 and then go back and fill it in with all the lovely colors. We have 995, 996. You're not focusing. 3756, 3607, 3843, 3837, 743, 762, 992, so pretty, and 775, one of my favorites. It's going to be some really beautiful bright colors. We have 796, 333, 913, 3608, 3846, 741, really bright, 954, 210, 3325, 340, 772, it's really pretty light green, 912, 208, 917, 947, and we have some navy blue, the 823, 415, a little bit of 740, 498, and 666. Beautiful red. So we've got some great colors. She's gonna be so bright, pretty. And then let's go back and see. Let's get this put off to the side here. So crinkly. So close. Zoom back out. Out, not in, out. All right, so our E907 is a green pea. Wow. It looks like it's going to be everywhere. We have a little bit in her eyes. There's some highlights. There's some on the ring pop. And of course, there's highlights in her hair. One of her fingernails here has glow in the dark. Again, more highlights on the hair. A lot up in here in her hair, the greens that you can see. And there's little highlights on everything. So pretty much the highlight is going to be all glow in the dark on everything green that you see in the painting. So like these bubble gums in here, And then her corset. On this corset right here, there is glow in the dark throughout these sections. And over here, and everywhere where you see green. It is going to be so pretty. So cool. All right, let's see if we can get this to glow in the dark. Be right back. Okay, so I've held it under the light and charged it up. Let me turn off my lights. Ooh. Hello. Spooky. Pretty excited. Oh my goodness. So excited about that. Cannot wait to get this one kitted up. I am gonna have to wait though, because I do want to work on a Halloween image for the rest of October. So I'm waiting for those to show up, which will be next week. And as soon as I get them, I'm going to kit one of them up and get working on it. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's not a new painting, but it's new to me. And yeah, so leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.